All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Camaro. It is the SS model, this beautiful silver with black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, alloy wheels, sunroof, backup camera, 11,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger rim. Oh, I'm sorry, where the hell am I? Found it. All right, front passenger rim. Very nice LC curving. Let's check out your tires right here. Just at about 5/30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curving here. And your tire thread is at just over 4:30 seconds. Has a little dent here. So you see about five inches right there. Boom. Nice shot of your sunroof and what that looks like. Got your power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your back here, no holes, no tears, no rip. Rear passenger seat. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player on, and all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. What's going on? Got your mileage of 11,964. I'm gonna turn on this car. I don't know what the hell's going on. Got your backup camera. Boom. Get your AM, FM, CD player on, and all that good stuff right there. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see traction light on, and it's got some Wi-Fi connection. Airbag light on. Service stable track, and that's for your traction control light. All right, airbag light on, and that's about it on the lights. All right, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Your rear passenger seat. A rear bumper looks good. Here's our rear trunk space. What that looks like, pretty big and spacious. You do have your owner's manuals here tucked away. A nice little rear spoiler. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear passenger rim. Tire thread. It's around 5:30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Is your rear front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise for your third row. On your rear passenger, a little sick today, so off like crazy. Fender here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger, your front passenger hubcap. Jesus, rim. Your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. All right, rim looks good. Lights are working. Vehicle is on. Things are moving. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chevy Camaro SS1 model with 11,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy betting.